Mitaratara ya uthii wa na mbere bururi oro wothe na nginya mishara ya aruti wira thirikari itabanagio na mbeca iria urihaga kuhitukira igoti. Thutha wa ruhonge rwa ungania wa igoti kuremwo ni gukinya itanya ria kungania muigana wa trilioni 1 na bilioni 21 mwaka muhituku ni mehotorete gukinya itanya riu mwaka uyu, na nikio manjitie kunyitanira na kaunti itiganite kungania igoti na njira ndikiru makiria. Kaunti ya Laikipia niyo yamuthia kunyitanira na KRA kuhuthia ungania wa igoti.
The public is able to make payments to both the national government and the county government as well without having to travel long distances. As a matter of fact, they can also just make payments in the comfort of both their houses and homes.
KRA goka kupatina na Laikipia County ni njira imwe ya kuonania ati we are committed to Laikipia County ukorwo ni twenda guteithiriria bururi uyu witu tukorwo twihata ithuĩ gukorwo tukirugamira ithuĩ enyewe.
Na tondu kuringana na watho gutiri mundu utagarire kureha igoti, aria mari na riciria ria kwihitha KRA matire na gwa guikara.
As we make it easy for them to pay taxes, we will be using same effort to make it very expensive for those that seek not to comply.
Laikipia niyo kaunti ya kana kunyitanira na ruhonge rwa ungania wa igoti thutha wa kaunti cia Kiambu, Machakos na Makueni. Governor Joshua Irungu augite ni kuiga keheri gicunji kia mugunda mwena wa Rumuruti kuria ruhonge rwa KRA rugwaka ofici ciao mwena ucio na gutabania githomo kuri maabitha a ungania wa igoti. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muriuki wa Muchoki.